All right, language explorers. Let's look at this Saturday's phrasal verb. So eat up. Eat up. So like to finish eating. Yeah, so to finish eating. So eat everything and do something else or leave. Yeah, done. Let's change that. Yeah, done. So let's change that as well. We need to eat up and go. I want to eat up and leave. They need to eat up fast. He wanted her to eat up. She does not want to eat up. She wants to take her time. It thought I would have eaten up by now. See, it thought I would have eaten up by now and finished. Not quite. Yeah. I will eat up now. Finish eating and be done. She wants to eat up quick. Yeah. Don't eat up so fast. Enjoy the food. Yeah, enjoy the food. How cool is that? Yeah. I ate up last night, or I ate up. I ate up and left the restaurant early last night. Yeah. I left the restaurant early last night. I ate up and left. How cool is that? We're eating up now in time. Yeah. We're eating up now because there are other things that I need to do. We're eating up now because I have other things to do. Yeah, eat up and leave. Gone. How cool is that? Yeah. We'll have to eat up fast if we want to get home soon. Yeah. Eat up. We have a bus to catch. Eat up. We have to eat up. We have somewhere to be. Yeah. Have somewhere to be. Let's go. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. Yeah. So I often eat up quick. It depends on my schedule and how many other things I need to do. Yeah, it depends. So it's 2:00 now. Yeah, I am not eating. I'm not eating now, but I would have to eat up quick because I have other things to do later on today. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah, 100%. Very good. Yeah. So, can you use eat up in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, and Telegram when you search for English with Adrian, and on Udemy when you look for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.